Altar is a municipality in Sonora in northwestern Mexico. The municipality had a 2010 census population of 9,049 inhabitants, the vast majority of whom lived in the municipal seat of Altar, which had a population of 7,927 inhabitants. There are no other localities with over 1,000 inhabitants. Surrounding municipalities are Sáric, Tubutama, Atil, Trincheras, Pitiquito, Caborca, and Oquitoa. The northern boundary is with Pima County in the U.S. state of Arizona. The total area of the municipality, urban and rural, is 3,944.90 square kilometers. The municipal population in 2010 was 9,049 inhabitants, with 7,927, 87.6%, living in the municipal seat. Other settlements are the Cabecera Municipal, Ejido 16 de Septiembre, Ejido Llano Blanco, and Ejido Santa Matilde. The territory of the municipality was originally inhabited by the Oaxacan people. It was founded in 1775 by Captain Bernardo de Urrea as a military fort, being called Santa Gertrudis del Altar, and later Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe del Altar. The land lies at an elevation of between 200 and 400 meters sloping towards the Gulf of California. The climate is dry with extremely high temperatures in the summer. The temperatures sometimes exceed 131 degrees Fahrenheit 55 degrees Celsius, and is among the hottest places in the world from May to September. The economy is based on agriculture and cattle raising. The main crops are wheat, cotton, corn, beans, sorghum, and table grapes. The town is also a staging area for the flow of immigrants that will attempt entry into the United States through the shared Sonoran Desert. Towns and villages. The largest localities, cities, towns, and villages are adjacent municipalities and counties. Sáric Municipality, northeast. Tubutama Municipality, east. Atil Municipality, southeast. Oquitoa Municipality, southeast. Trincheras Municipality, south. Pitiquito Municipality, southwest. Caborca Municipality, west. Pima County, Arizona, north. References